the latest Kindle, a Kindle Basic. Amazon just call it the Kindle. And I have gone for the Kids Edition. The reason for that is because it is the same device whether you buy the Kids Edition or not. And this Kids Edition comes in a rather snazzy case. It's going to be appealing to all of you professionals. I know a young person who's going to really enjoy this device, and I'm going to get it prepared for her. You can set this up as a linked account to your own Kindle account, so it should share the Kindle Unlimited as well. I went for black rather than the denim blue because it had more of the recycled plastic in it. Now the basic Kindle is this beautiful 300 dpi Kindle screen. So there we are, I'm just going to add a child to my account. These are all ones I've already got, I think. Yeah, these ones are. Which is nice, because she'll very much be able to listen to her Beatrix Potter collection and Paddington Bear. These are books in my own library, so it's suggesting that I just add them to these. And there you go. She won't be able to read those yet, but she will be able to. And packaged with this, you can buy for relatively cheap a set of Bluetooth headphones, and that will of course read the Audible book directly there to Florence. It couldn't really get much easier than that. So expect in the next little while a comparison between this and the Paperwhite, and a suggestion whether you should buy this for your kids, or of course whether you should buy this for yourself or the Paperwhite. One thing I'm interested to see straight off the bat is the brightness of the screen and how even the coverage of the LEDs are, because one comparison that's often made is the number of LEDs in the Paperwhite versus in the basic Kindle. I think there's only about 4 LEDs in the basic Kindle, but they do seem to be doing a really good job of evenly lighting across the screen. That looks like a good start. I can read Cinderella, download that for her. Got the ones that I've just added in there as well, and Fun Phonics. That's what we needed. It doesn't have the warm or the cold light option. It just simply is always that same tone of cold light.